Hello everyone. Today we're zooming into macro photos and refining tiny details. Macro images often lose clarity because of very shallow depth of field. Start by sharpening only the areas that are truly in focus. Strengthen fine textures like pollen, insects, tiny plants, or jewelry. Balance contrast carefully so details don't look harsh. Reduce noise in out-of-focus areas to keep the attention on your subject. Macro editing is all about precision. Thanks for watching. More detailed editing tips on the way.